Holy cow, this water bowl is huge. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we are doing a review of this. Oh wait, I think I said 3 gallons. It's 10 liters or 2.6 gallons. That's close. It's almost 3 gallons. No spill water dish. I have not put any water in it yet. You can see it's got the floaty thing in the bottom. It has filters that you can install as well. There's no water in it yet, honey. It is made of stainless steel, which I love. This part down here is like a silicone. This part is plastic, but it all comes apart, making it really easy to clean. So this product was sent to us in return for our honest review. There's no water in it yet, honey. Let me put some water in it so you can test it out. So I'm gonna fill this with water and show you guys how it works. Can I do this one-handed? Hold on, I'm putting it in the, you're supposed to drink it out of the water bowl, not out of the, all right. So that was only, look at, it definitely isn't full. Oh, this one's nice. I like how much water comes through. So as you can see, when I filled it with water, this now floats. This piece here floats. So basically what that does is it makes it so that as your dogs drink the water, see how she's kind of splashing? It's splashing into the bowl. It's splashing into this. This edge and this makes the water stay in the bowl. So if you have a big, messy drinker, this is gonna help out so much. Is that delicious? Was that delicious water? I didn't install the filter because I forgot before I put the water in it. But so the way the filter works, it's this little ring filter. You soak it in water, you flip over this piece here, and you install it. And then as the water kind of drains back down, it'll filter it slightly. It's not like the perfect filter, but it is a little bit of a filter that's gonna filter out, you know, slobber and things like that. Is this a win, Eleanor? Are you like, this is the coolest water dish on planet? I love it. I love how big it is. I love how much water it's gonna hold. This is gonna be pretty cool. I might actually put this in my RV. That's where I splashed on the outside. They didn't do that. I did that when I poured the water in it, which you guys saw me trying to do with one hand. And it is stainless steel, so it's gonna wash really nice. I do love stainless steel bowls for dogs. They don't hold all that grime and grungy stuff like plastic does. Stainless steel to me, I feel like cleans better and it's not pitted. And I just feel like it's a better overall experience for your dogs. You would think that I haven't given you water in days. You're just gonna drink all the water from there? Maybe I should have filled it all the way up. Should I put more water in it? Fill it all the way up? Clearly, you can see the dogs approve of this water bowl. Like I said, I love that it's no splash. I love that they're not gonna drip everything. Memphis is a very messy drinker out of a bowl. So like she drinks at the edge of a bowl and she will get water everywhere. So this will help stop all of that. What do you think? Is that a win? Is that, guys, quickest water bowl review ever? That is a total win. I agree, that's a win. We recommend this.